Okay, review tayo for coming civil service exam. And logic reasoning po tayo. Dahil ito po yung isa sa time-consuming na part pagdating sa exam. At tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano natin makuha yung sagot na mabilisan. Okay, sabi nga dito, assume that all cats are dogs. Some dogs are rats. And some bats are ants. Therefore, which one is true? Okay, pag may nakita kayong ganitong question, ang technique po ay mag-focus po kayo doon sa given. Sabi nga, assume that all cats are dogs. So, ilagay po natin to illustration para mas maintindihan po natin. So, sabi nga dito, all cats are dogs. So, for example, ito yung cats. At lahat daw ito ay dogs. So, meaning, ito naman yung dogs. Napapaloob lahat ng cats. Okay. Sabi nga kasi dyan, all cats are dogs. Okay, so ito naman yung dogs. Ayan, para mas maintindihan natin. Next, some dogs are rats. Okay, so some lang dito. Daw ay rats. So, lagyan na tayo ng isang square dito. At some dyan ay rats. So, ito naman yung rat. Okay. Next, some bats are ants. So, wala dito yung bats and ants. So, gawa naman tayo ng another illustration. So, some bats, ayan, are ants. So, dito, some parang ganyan. Okay. So, yan po yung illustration natin. And next, gagawin natin, doon naman tayo sa choices. Tignan daw natin kung saan yung tama. A. All cats are rats. So, saan yung cat? Dito, nandito naman yung rat. So, basically, mali yan. Eliminate na po natin yan. Letter B. All dogs are cats. So, ito yung dogs. Are cats? Okay. Baliktad naman. Dapat, all cats are dogs. So, eliminate din natin ulit yan. Letter C, all bats are dogs. So, nandito yung bats, nandito yung dog. So, basically, maling-mali po yan. So, eliminate na po natin yan. And next, some rats are dogs. Saan yung rats? Okay. Saan yung dogs? Nandito. So, kung titignan natin, some rats are dogs. Tama po iyan. Okay. Kasi sa illustration natin, some rats are dogs na tamaan niya. So, therefore, ang sagot dyan ay letter D. Okay. So, tignan naman natin yung E. Some cats are dogs. So, some cats are dogs. Mali po iyan. Dahil yung cats ay nandito po